Hello and welcome back to part 4 of our Google Slides tutorial. In this video, we'll be showing you how to add videos along with charts into Google Slides. The first step to adding a video is to go to the Insert tab here and then clicking Video. After doing that, you should be greeted with this screen. You can type in the search bar here to look for the video you want. After clicking on a video and clicking Select, it should appear on your presentation. Now, what if you wanted to add a specific video by using its URL? All you have to do is to follow the previous steps shown, but instead of searching for a video, you instead click on the By URL and paste the URL you have prepared into the text box. After pressing Select, it will appear in your presentation. After placing your video, there are tools that allow you to edit the video, such as video playback, size, rotation, position, and drop shadow. Now that we have shown you how to insert a video, we will now show you how to insert a chart. Go into the Insert tab, similarly to inserting a video. However, this time, we will be choosing the Chart option. After clicking it, you may choose between 4 different charts, and Google Slides will create that chart. Similar to the video, you can also edit the chart through these options. And that was a basic overview on how to add both videos and charts. We hope that you enjoyed the video and found it useful. And we'll see you in our next video. Goodbye.